Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, one of the expected modifications, well, expected by me, modifications to the AMG, and it's the installation of the front star, which has an LED. Very much looking forward to that. My first time trying something like that, so I don't know how's it gonna turn out. But you know, again, thumbs up to Flex Alexander for giving me some hints and basically a tutorial in one of his videos on how to do it. He did it on his C300, which is essentially the same, other than the fuse box location. On the AMG, it is kind of tough to get into it, but I mean, not an issue. I already took a look at it, and I know that I can do it. So, you're ready? Let's go and see it, okay? Okay, so this is the original star from the car that has been plastic dipped. This is a new one. That's the star that goes on top of the LED. I tested this with a battery. In addition to I have the connector to the fuse box and an additional fuse for 5 amps. And this is what I will use, a car voltage tester, to see which of the fuse locations in the fuse box gives power while the car is on. And I tested the light with this battery, and I can show you in a moment. Just connect the two right there, touching the ends, and see, it lights up. So obviously this is the location of the star, and I'm gonna run the wire along the side of the car. I'm gonna connect the the ground to one of this to one of these screws, and the fuse box is back here, which I'm gonna open in a moment. Okay, so I spray dipped the star so it matches the rest of the grill. Okay, so I have removed the cover to the fuse box. Now I'm gonna try to find a fuse slot that actually is on while the car is on, so when the headlights are on, then the star will also light up. Car is on now, and using the tester pen, if it lights up, that's an area or a slot that is available or that it's connected. So I found one. As you can see, maybe the light is on, and there are actually two that are available right here. So one of those are the ones that I'm gonna use. Okay, so now I'm just gonna place the star in the grill, the receptacle of the grill. So with the connector that goes into the fuse box, I put a 5 ampere fuse, and that is gonna go into the available fuse slot. But before that, I'm gonna connect the black cable, which is the ground, to one of the screws here in the front. Okay, so I connected the cable to the fuse box, to the slot where the fuse was available, and once I turn on the engine, if it works, then the daylight headlights will turn on, including the star. So let's give it a try. And presto, it works. So I just need to put now the front light, or the front star that I plastic dipped, and the job is done. So to finish up the installation, I use some plastic ties to secure the cable. I'm gonna cut out the ends, and as I said, that should be it. Okay, so now I have attached the plastic dip star that goes on top of the LED, and I think it looks cool. What do you think? Okay, friends, so what do you think? I think it turned out nice. It was a challenge for me. As you know, I'm not mechanically oriented, but thumbs up to Flex Alexander. He had a wonderful video showing how to do this. I just followed basically his instructions. I communicated with him because I had some questions regarding the fuse box and the the tester pen, as you know, basically how to use it. But yeah, it turned out nice. And so the next modification is going to be tinting the rear lights. That's going to be sometime in the next couple of weeks. For your information, I'll be out next week, the week of June 29th. As I said before, I'm going to go to Colorado to accompany my daughter, who's moving to South Florida. So we're going to be driving from Colorado to South Florida. I may do some reports on Instagram here and there, but obviously nothing related to the AMG, okay? So until that time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home if you can, all right? So I'll see you next time. Peace.